Hey guys, welcome to my first ever unboxing. I accidentally opened up one pack already because this is my first try doing it and I had to restart 2 times because my camera. But this was in my first pack. I got a Candy Crystal Dragon Galette, Underhand Mean Sneak Attack, Bolting Knuckle, White Fiend Kid Toguruma, and a Soul Generator. Let's see what's in my next pack. I got a Dead Copy, nice. Draconic Deluge, Hot-Blooded Headgear, Lesser Fiend Yamaoni, and a Erudite Dragon Emperor Philosopher. Pretty good. This pack, it got nice. Thunderwave X Tempest Break, Draconic Determination, Middle Class Ninja Hagatsuma, Childhood Carapace, A Man's Tears, and House of Assassins Oni Convoy. Next set, we got a Duskfiend Yaguyo, Night Bodyguard, Emerald Spikes, Dual Spark, and nice, a Bots X Link. This will go really good with my Thunder Empire deck. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention I bought the Thunder Empire start deck. It's really great. You guys really should try it out. It's one of the best ones there is. I prefer, personally. My next pack. I got Starlight Sword Wielder Wrecked. Get wrecked, son. Oh, this is one of the most overpowered Prism Dragons out there. Well, not really. Just I think it's OP. Minuet Crystal Dragon Seilui. Military Tactics 2-Stage Plan. Bashful Bull. And yes, I got myself an Arc Dragon Shield. Scuffle Chief Grappler Gone. Nice. White Crystal Dragon Columbo. Half-Fiend Kid Yice. Optics Operation Shrouded Straw Coat. And nice. For my Sun Dragon deck, I got a Sun Deity's Choice. Just need Soleil now. Turtle Blaster. Next pack, for my next pack, I've got Fragment Reload, Demon Way Aboru Genbu, Shiny Crystal Dragon Vermolt, Ralmus the Brave Bow, and Christiana Crystal Shoot. Hold on a second, guys. I'll be right. I got a Christiana Crystal Shoot, which will go really well with my dad's Prism Dragon deck that I just bought from today as well. Okay, next pack. Another Wrecked. Another one of those size 3s with 10,000 defense, critical at 2, and nothing to call. Military Tactics 2-Stage Plan. Soul Generator. And Fairy Dragon Emperor Felistas. Scuffle Chief Grappler Gone. White Crystal Dragon Columbo. Bolting Knuckle. Nice. Amish Dragons. I live in Pennsylvania. That's pretty common, Amish. And Explosive Sun Dragon Ball Dragon. Nice. This card link attacks another Sun Dragon. You may put a Sun Dragon from your drop zone on the bottom of your deck. Half-Fiend Kid Yice, Fragment Reload, Demon Way Aboru Genbu again, Lesser Fiend Yamaoni, and Middle Class Ninja Hagasumura. Next pack. Shiny Crystal Dragon Vermolt, Underhanded means sneak attack. It's just a White Fiend Kid Toguruma. Add X Thunder. And, an Oni Assassin. Dark Scale Eerie Wailings. Cast cost, pay 2 gauge. Choose and use one of the following 2. Choose an Oni Assassin on your field. Put up to 2 cards from your deck until soul of the card on your... Hold on. Focus. The chosen card, shuffle your deck. Counter. Put all souls from all cards on the field into the drop zone. That's pretty great. I'm sorry for the camera again, guys. Just makeshift. Just my phone on top of 2, few books. Dragonic Deluge. Dusk Fiend Yagyo. Midnight Bodyguard. Childhood Carpus, A Man's Tears. And Incineration Chief Excited Homura. By the way, guys, before I get to it, which secret pack do you think I'm going to pull? Leave it in the comments right now. A, Dragon Dry. B, Prison Dragons. Or C, Thunder Empire. GG, guys. GG. Hang on. So sorry, but oh my god. Check this out. Chibi Panda. Arc Dragon Sword. Demon Lord Dragon Bots. Arc Dragon Shield and Tempest Buster. This is just too good to be true. That's just amazing. What's in my next pack? Emerald Spikes. Nice. Red Fiend Kid Kamua. Dusk Fiend Yagyo. Under the Table. And Red Crystal Dragon Kempari. Oh, guys, if you know any ways to get a better camera, let me know, other than just my phone. Pawn the Promotion in my next pack. Art of Item Blasting. Pink Crystal Dragon Rose. Bashful Bull. And, a Japanese Blade. Nice. Blade Beast of 16th Night. Crane Princess. Ikajomi, or however you Japanese people pronounce that. I'm sorry if I offended any of you there. Anyways, yeah, that secret pack, though. You can still see it off in the bright corner. You can still see in that bright corner of your screen. Anyway, next. Steel Ball Wielder, Holgon. Blood Dragon, Follower. All-Rounder Warrior, Tetra. Gunrod Hammerschmidt type CLA. Nice dual world card. Yes. Espada Dragon's Officer Tyrak. Just the card I was looking for. Other than, of course, my secret pack. Because of Thunder Empire, guys. Who doesn't like Thunder Empire? Oh, by the way, leave in the comments below which you think is best world. And what type. Gold Dragon Iron Wall. Raid Officer Delta. I'll need that for my deck. Apprentice Underling Value Die. Optics Operation Shrouded Straw Coat. And Flame Dragon Officer Fry Him. Pretty nice card. Bolting Knuckle. Dead Copy. Scuffle Chief Grappler Den. Tenacious Chief Smasher Decked. And Stranded Oni, or Sturdy Oni, a lad from Kibi. I got Dusk Fiend Yagyo again. Hot-blooded headgear. Midnight Bodyguard. Pale Yellow Fiend Kid Hagoyama. And Brush Upper. Oh, I forgot to mention, check out this pack art. It just looks so sick. Just look. So pretty. So in this pack, I got Pink Crystal Dragon Rose. Steel Ball Wielder Holgon. Oh, Blood Dragon Follower. I saw triple. Dragonite Gilturn. Oh, nice. Apprentice Underling Kong. The Perfect Chief. When this card enters the field, look at 3 cards from the top of your deck. Put up to 1 size 3 Dragon Chief Emperor monster from among them into your hand and put the rest in your drop zone. Perfect Chief only activates once per turn. That's really good. Too bad I don't have one of those decks. Next up. Thunderwave X Tempest Break. Emerald Spikes. Draconic Determination. Red Lady Oni Kuricha. And Chief of Seven Seas, Dual Jaeger Ocean. Pretty good card. Oh yeah, and the cards have been reprinted in different text style too, as you can tell from the old cards. But, oh yeah, here's one of my old cards. I can show you the difference in the text. So you can see, there's a difference in the text now. As you can see between this and this. Shout out to Bushiroad for making this awesome reprint. What's next? Red Fiend, Kid Kamiguma. Straight Sword Wielder, Wrecked. Pawn, the Promotion. Red Crystal Dragon, Almaron. And Dark Arms, Soaring Blade. I've still got a few packs to go still. Don't think I'm getting a Buddy Rare, but here we go. Underhanded Means, Sneak Attack. White Fiend, Kid Tomaguruma. Draconic Deluge. Red Crystal Dragon, Gamelin. And Lesser Fiend, Amakamaju. I got another size 3 epic guy. Art of Item Blasting. Dual Spark. Stronger Low colon 07. And another Thunder Lance X Tempest Buster. That's going with my other cards right away. Military Tactics 2-stage plan. Pink Crystal Dragon Rose. Scuffle Chief Grappler Gon. Chief of Steel Iron Tetsu. And Radiant Shell. Next up, Steel Ball Wielder Holgon. White Crystal Dragon Columball. Blood Dragon Follower. Mara Exhaust Dragon. And really, Bushiroad? Really? You misspelled heavens. You misspelled heavens. I am ashamed of you, Bushiroad. Oh yeah, I got Heaven's Sunshine. Apparently it's Heaven's Sunshine now. Okay, next up. Got Red Fiend, Kid Kamiguma. Pawn, the Promotion. Ooh. Yes. Art of Item Blasting. Blood Dragon, Sylvania, and... oh, dang it. Misfiring Demon, Globs. Split the Reward. When another Thunder Empire monster enters the field, put top card deck in your gauge and draw a card. Split the Reward only activates once per turn. When this card attacks for this turn, card on your field gets critical +1. Perfect. I'm loving it. Next up, Half Fiend, Kid Yace. All-Rounder Warrior, Tetra. Fragment Reload. Apprentice Underling, Cheery In. And King the Dominator, Endgame. I love how they're bringing back chess cards. I'm gonna give these to my dad. He loves chess. I've got 2 packs left, guys. Gold Dragon Iron Wall. Demon Way of Boru Genbu. Lester Fiend Yama Oni. Skalmar Warrior Kravar. And Dark Arms Steel Slicing Strings. And finally, guys, the last pack. Raid Officer Delta. Shiny Crystal Dragon Vermalt. Princess Underling Value Die. Shinobi Scrolls. And Arc Dragon Sword Kane. Well, folks, this has been an unboxing of Future Card Buddyfight's Dark Lord's Rebirth. Also, this is my first ever video, so make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm going out.